Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on this one. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about what we've done. The RMAX Limited does come with a ton of accessories on it from the factory. We've also added some extras on there. Wanted to show you a little bit about what we've done. So we're going to start right on the front of the machine. Let's start with that A-arm and front end protection. These are from Yamaha. Very nice, good looking protection there for the A-arms as well as that front end. This model does come with the Warren winch. We have added that upper brush guard kit from Yamaha, giving some extra protection on that front end as well as some nice cool looks. You can see those Ryco Street Legal Kit lights poking through the bumper area there. You've got the USA full glass windshield. What we love about this windshield, it is automotive glass. It's not going to scratch like a Lexan or a polycarbonate, and you do have the ability to get you some airflow inside the cab. Let's say it's cool in the mornings. You don't want any airflow on you. You can just leave those louvers shut. Begins to heat up during the day. You can take and turn that knob. Get you some airflow there. Driver wants air on them, but passenger does not. No problem. Just leave the passenger shut and open up the driver's side. You can lock it into any position on there. We've also got the windshield wiper up top. The roof that's on this does come with this model from the factory. We've got the UTV Tech mirrors. Now these mirrors are breakaway function and you can turn these into any position that you would like. You can have them sideways, you can have them up, down, left, right. This knob up top controls how hard or easy the breakaway function is. On the inside, you've got the PRP harnesses. There's the switch for the Ryco kit. We've also got the Super ATV rear hard-coated polycarbonate tinted window. Very nice and clean look on there. The Tusk flag mount and quick release. The Yamaha spare tire carrier and the spare tire there. Also the Yamaha cargo box. Very nice. And we've got the sound system playing that comes factory on this model, as well as the Adventure Pro. This model also comes with the Yamaha rear view mirror. Absolutely beautiful machine. A lot of cool accessories on it. If you have any questions about anything you've seen, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you have a Wolverine, let us know what your favorite accessories are. If you don't have a Wolverine, post up in the comments below on why. We monitor our YouTube channel daily. Love to answer your questions and get those answers for you that you guys are seeking. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you find our content fitting for what you're doing in life. We sure appreciate all the comments as well. Congratulations to the Petersons. You're going to love your new machine. As always, have a great day, everybody.